Hello, this is Trevor. Today we are working on another PortSwigger Web Security Academy lab. This is the XSS lab, reflected XSS with some SVG markup allowed. So there's a reflected XSS vulnerability. It's blocking common tags, but misses some SVG tags and events. Solve the lab that calls the alert function. Interesting. All right, so let's open up the lab. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing, if I explain it well, if you solved it. First thing I noticed is that this does not have a exploit server button. So on this one, we're not going to be delivering this to someone else, right? And I think that's because we can get, and the difference is whether there's an extra piece needed. So remember in the last one, there was that extra piece needed to autofocus on the URL or the ID. And then the one before, it was a on size change. And so we needed to trigger that size change of event. This one, we should be able to get a cross-site scripting with just a URL. Awesome. It says it's with some SVG markup allowed. So let's go to our cross-site scripting cheat sheet and let's scroll down here to SVG. And you see we have a few options here. Tag. Let's, I don't know if I highlight both, does it show both? So let's see. If I just do this one, we have the SVG animate. We have 3. SVG animate is the first one. So does this include SVG animate? I don't see it. Keyframes. Okay. Well, that stinks. But can we copy these tags to clipboard? Let's see. Okay. Nope, that's all tags. Well, dang it. Copy payloads. All right, I guess we'll just have to do this one at a time. It said SVG, so anything with a script tag, a style tag is out. So let's scroll through here and let's try this one. On focus alert. It's not available. Let's do this one. I imagine they're going to limit it to ones that are available on everything. Let's try this one. And we're going to go to 2.1. Paste that here. Event. Onload event is not allowed. Excuse me. Let's see if there's another one. So here, style. All right. The only one I saw was this one. Well, and this one. These 3, but these 2 don't work in Firefox. So we'll keep that in mind. If we need to use it, we'll come back. Animate. Does that count as a tag? It's inside the SVG. I honestly don't know. Tag is not allowed. So, whoops. Closed it instead of going back. Animate, animate, animate. So if the animate tag is not allowed, none of these are going to work. Animate motion. Let's try this, I guess. Tag is not allowed. I want to go back. The tag, all these tags are the same. All these tags are the same. So if one doesn't work, the others won't work. Animate, transform. Hey, sweet. Oh, crap. Dang it. We solved it. I did not want to do that. Yay, we solved that. Well, let's write our script. Let's close this. Hopefully, by the time we finish our script, it'll reset. That sucks. Some SVG markup allowed. So that's what we're going to name it. Vim some SVG markup allowed .py. We will start with the blog. No, with our template. I should have paid attention to a little bit more to both what we were executing and what the winning condition was. That was definitely my fault. So we want the search right here. So let's define our payload equals, and then we'll do search blog.search with payload. We don't need URL, right? And then we'll do blog.isSolved. We need to do our payload. Do you remember what our payload was? I think it was this first one. So let's see what we've got here. Animate on begin alert. Attribute name equals transform. That should work. We should have this one solved. Let's comment out requests. We didn't need that again. Let's see if there's anything I want to talk about on this one. Let's do our summary now. Our summary is easy. We read the description. We went to the cross-site scripting cheat sheet and simply went through all the SVG ones until one worked, and it was animate transform. The other SVGs, animate motion, both gave us errors about attribute or no tag not allowed. The SVG one that we tried the on load. That one gave us an error about the event not allowed. That's how we were able to find one that worked, is just by trying it. Yeah. You know what we could do? We could build a quick script that ran through all of so we could copy payloads to clipboard, and then one that runs through every. Anyway, that'd be like cheating. I don't know if I've stalled enough time. Let's see, just for giggles, let's look at what they say the solution is. So, gets blocked. They're going to use intruder, test tags and attributes that are blocked. Definitely a good idea. When attack is finished, we could have used our animate transform. So the same one we used We could have used that script that we built to test both tags and events from a few labs ago to find the winning combination. We didn't need it on this one, but that definitely could have worked. All right. I think I've stalled enough here. Good. Oh, dang it. All right. Well, I'm going to pause the video right now. Wait, 5-10 minutes. I'll come back on and then we'll run our script to make sure it solves it. All right. See you in a minute. Okay. So I waited 7-8 minutes, something like that. And I did check this. It is a brand new server. So I'll not have the solved sign as soon as it comes up. Okay, boom, not solved. We'll copy our script and go back here. We'll do Python. What is this called? Some SVG markup allowed. Paste that, run it. Boom. Solved. Woohoo! Kind of a letdown because of my dumb mistake, but whatever. We solved it. We already did the recap, so if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.